Starting to see some strong buyers here right off of that 558.30. So that's like the low day. But really starting to see right at this opening candle, right around this level. So I'm interested if we can get a dip here between 559.10 to 559.65, right? So looking for an entry right around that level for an upside potential here. See if we can target 562 like inside the supply zone, right? The move is probably going to happen now, but really seeing some strong buyers. I'd like to see a strong push here, possibly into that. Where was that level at? Right around that 561.33, and then gets a little bit of rejection there. Would like to see a pullback here now. Again, just looking for a quick scalp here. All right, I'm in this trade, guys. Off of that bounce, like I mentioned, stop loss is going to be below this level. Looking to see if we can get above this white line, 560.42, and if we can get that, I think high day can be taken out. Again, just looking for a quick scalp. I'd like to for this high day to be taken out before 10 o'clock. I think if we're able to take that high day without any resistance, I don't see why we can't test the supply zone here. So we're up about 5% here. There she goes. That's high day. I think that's high day, right? Yeah, we just hit high day. Up about 18% here. 20%. Taking my first trim here. I have 2 contracts left. I'm going to close out here, to be honest. I'm going to close out here. All out. Just a quick scalp trade based off of that level there. Looking for the next one. I still like it for the upside. Just didn't like how there's a stack of liquidity being built up here now on SPY. So I don't like that. As you can see, we're pulling back here again. All right, I'm liking this buying here. I'm gonna get in again. Same plan. Now looking for that 561.07 break. See if we can get that 561.07. That's a pre-market high. VIX is starting to come down here, which is good. It's a low day. QQQs already taking out high day as well. There she goes. It's a good push there. We're up about 7%, 9% here. Again, just looking to scalp, right? Looking to scalp. 14%. Gotta get above this 561.50. Or else I'm gonna get out. 561.50. I'm out. Still looks good. I just didn't like how that there was somewhat of an aggressive sell that just got filled there. So we might see another pullback here. Now, if we can take out 561.50 to 561.60, I'll look for another pullback into this opening range high, right around this level. Reason why this 561.50 to 60, right? This was, if you look at yesterday's price action, right? That is the same level where we had some struggle, right? As you can see, lots of rejection at that level, lots of rejection here, same here as well, right? That 561.50 to 561.60. So that's why I got out of that position. As you can see right now, we're getting a little bit of a pullback there. We have data coming out in 10 minutes, so I'll wait for that data to come out and see. Another good exit there, as you can see. We took out that, I think we exited out right around this level, and as you can see, we're trending down again. So PLTR right now is also looking good for a rejection off of this $80 mark. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame here, or even the 1-hour time frame, right? You can see these lows here. This was previous support, now started to act as a resistance, right? You got that rejection there once you traded below. Watch this $80 mark and see if that starts to act as a resistance. If we do break above 80, um, we might be able to play this to the upside because they do have news. So let's look at PLTR. I think I have the 75 puts here. Let's see if there are any other contracts that looks good. The 78s look good as well. I think this looks good for a short. Let's see here. SPY coming down some more. All right, we're gonna do a starter position here on PLTR soon. Stop loss is gonna be strictly a 5-minute or 10-minute candle close above 80 because you did get a little bit of a wick there, right? Off of these levels, you got those wicks there. So it's either we wait for a strong rejection there or we enter now, right? Ahead of the confirmation with a tighter stop. S&P 500 is coming down. Qs is also struggling. I'm gonna get in here for PLTR, guys. I just like the setup. Again, stop loss is gonna be above 80. We'll look for a breakdown below the VWAP, and then right off of these level here, 77.54, 55. We'll look to exit right around that level. Or if that breaks down, right, we'll look for a 74.57 or 75 in the money. There's the push up. I think I want to get in on this one, guys. All right, I'm in. I'm back in on SPY. I like those buyers. I'm going to continue to buy the dip here right around that as long as this level holds. All Shoot, I forgot. Data coming out at 10 o'clock. I'm gonna front run this. So there's a risk here with data coming out, but I just really like the buyings that came in right off of this level. Just can't ignore it. I'm gonna take the risk there. I'll continue to add if we do continue to get defended here. Going down. Oof. If we reclaim that, I'm very, very interested in buying this dip here. Yeah, I'm buying the dip, guys. Strong buying still. Strong buying. Right at that level. Even this dip, lots of buyers, lots of buy orders got filled. So that was kind of a liquidity sweep of some sort. Now looking for a high day. Strong, strong move there. I'm gonna sell half at a either high day break. Let's see. We're up about 20% here. Looking to see if we can get a high day break. It's high day there. I'm gonna close half here, guys. Closing half. I'm gonna close another 3 contracts here, and I'm gonna leave 2 to run. See if we can get that. Probably gonna close PLTR here, given the fact that market's ripping. We'll see if that $80 breaks. We're gonna get out. Up about 30% here on the last contracts. I'm out here on SPY. Out there. Yeah, that was a little risky, guys, but I just really like the buying here that I was seeing on the tape. And then data comes out, right? Swept the lows. Even after coming down, a lot of orders got filled. And as you can see, we took out high day. Still holding PLTR. PLTR kind of right wicked into that $80 mark and now getting some rejection there. So I'm gonna get out of PLTR here. I just want to de-risk. Good trade. 2 trades so far. PLTR puts and SPY calls. We got a little lucky on that SPY, right? I mean, not luck, but I'm getting in, guys. I just can't pass this up. Lots of volume coming in now. I'm in puts. Putting my stop loss above VWAP. I'll look to add into this if we start pulling back above, right? If we pull back to this level, I'll look to add into that. As long as we're respecting this, as long as we don't take out this 560 level. Just really like the selling. I'm gonna look to target low day. If we break low day, I'll look for the 559.59, which was yesterday's lows level. Small position here. There she goes. We're up about 15% here, 18%. I'm gonna look to trim here now at 20%, trimming here. We got 2 contracts left. Might even close that all out all out here because this might be the bounce here. We'll see. Would really like to hold this into the low day. Alright, I'm out of this, guys.